crazy. Look at that. Looks like freaking tornadoes, doesn't it? That is wild. Whoa. That is wicked. You can look right over there. Crazy. That is freaking wow. That is crazy, man. Look at that. This is some DFW, Texas weather for you. Texas clouds. We're going to have to see what that is later on. Woo-wee!